Welcome to WebUI Training, Order Entry, course number 130, Advanced Line Entry of a Non-Stock Product. This training video will demonstrate the advanced line entry function using a non-stock product on a sales order in order entry. The key fields included are back order, line type, non-stock screen, product, description, vendor, product line, product category, warehouse, WT sourcing only, and customer product. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. After completing the Order Initiate screen, the Advanced Line Entry screen will appear. Your line number will be here. The backorder flag should be checked if you're ordering a non-stock. If it is not checked, it may not fall to the buyer's recommended replenishment report and may or may not get ordered from the vendor. On non-stocks, make sure this button is checked. The line type dropdown will designate what type of line you are ordering. We will be choosing non-stock, and once we click on that, the non-stock screen will appear. In your product field, you will enter in the vendor name of the product, or if it is a true non-stock, the order number and line number for the line. Please check with a fellow salesperson on exactly how your branch enters in their non-stocks. For the branch that I came from, I'm going to enter in a Simpson Strong-Tie part number, and we enter in the order number, line number, and how fast we want the product to come from the vendor. Once I click Tab, the screen will refresh to the description field, and this is where you would enter in the description for the product that you are ordering. The description fields are only 24 characters long. These fields will print on the purchase order to the vendor, and the vendor will order accordingly. Once I am finished with both of these fields, I'll hit Tab one more time and be taken to the vendor field. This field is required, demonstrated by the red asterisk. You cannot get past the screen without entering the vendor or any other field that's noted by the red asterisk. So here I'm choosing Simpson Strong-Tie. I'll tab to the next for the product line, enter in my product line and choose from the dropdown, then tab over to the product category and choose from the dropdown. The warehouse WT sourcing only field is if you are sourcing the product from a warehouse. Instead of entering vendor information, you'll enter the warehouse here. The back order flag will be checked. If you'd like to create a purchase order from here, we'll go over that in another training video. If it needs to be rushed from the vendor, check rushed. Or if you'd like to copy the comments that you'll put on this line to the purchase order that goes to the vendor for more information relating to the type of product that you're ordering. The NCNR field is for the non-cancelable, non-returnable. You may check this and the order will be flagged as a non-cancelable, non-returnable, and with proper authority, a return may be written against it. Without that authority, the system will stop you on writing a return for the product. Enter in your price for the product that you're ordering, enter in your cost, and the screen will refresh with the information that you've inputted. If you want to add a discount, percentage, you can choose from here. The price type field is used by the buyer if they'd like to put this particular item within a price type and cost it accordingly for the customer. Your item type will be defaulted as blank. Kit and kit rollup will also default as blank. The commission type, the ECCN, and the country field will default as blank unless there are specific parameters from your buyer that need to be put into these fields. The customer product field is a field that you can enter in the product number that the customer would like to have for that item. So if the customer would just like to call it a GLTV 5.50/15, that will go here. Once you click submit, the system will save the information that you've entered on the non-stock screen and return you to the advanced line entry screen. A warning message will come up saying that the non-stock data has been accepted. Under the line information section, you can see where the customer product field has been populated with what you've put on from the non-stock screen. Once you've completed the information for the line, click Add, and the line will be added to the products list. Congratulations! You have just completed course number 130, Advanced Line Entry of a Non-Stock Product. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here is your suggested next course.